afternoon, friends. Myself Sachin Tate. I'm working as the assistant professor into the SND College of Engineering and Research Center, Yola. We have to study about the wireless LAN and various spectrum of LAN hub configurations. You can understand. Usually use the multiple cell arrangement. Adjust cells use the different center frequencies. Hub is mounted onto ceiling, connected to the wired LAN, then connect to the station attached to the wired LAN in other cell. May also control access. IEEE 802.11 point coordination may be also use the multi-port repeater station transmit to the hub and receive from the hub. Then station may be broadcast using the omnidirectional antenna. That logical bus configuration. Hub may be used the automatic handoff like weakening signal or handoff. Spread spectrum LANs is the peer-to-peer configurations that no hub is the MAC algorithm such as carrier signal multiple access is used to control the access and ad hoc LAN is there. Then spread spectrum LAN transmission issues. The licensing regulation different from one country to another. Then USA FCC authorized two unlicensed applications within the ISB brand, that is spread spectrum, very low power system up to 0.5 watt, then 902 to 928 megahertz, then 2.4 to 2.4835 gigahertz, then 5.7 25 to 5.8 25 gigahertz, 2.4 gigahertz in Europe and Japan. High frequency means higher potential bandwidth. Interface devices at around the 900 megahertz included cordless telephone, wireless microphones, and amateur radio. Fewer devices at 2.4 gigahertz microwave one, then little competitions at 5.8 gigahertz higher frequency bands. Then now we can study the narrowband microwave LANs, just wide enough to accommodate signal. Until recently, all products used licensed band. At the list of one vendor has produced the LAN product in the ISM bands. Licensed narrowband radio frequency, microwave frequencies usable to the voice data or video licenses within a specific geographic area to avoid the interference. With radius about 25 km can contain the 5 licenses, each covering 2 frequencies. Motorola holds the 600 licenses in the 18 gigahertz range, cover all the metropolitan land with the populations of 300 or more USA. Use of the cell configurations, adjust the cell in the non-overlapping frequency band, then Motorola control frequency band can assure nearby independent LAN do not interface. All transmission and encrypted. Then licensed narrowband LAN guarantee to interface free communication. License holders has legal right to tolerance free and free data channel. Unlicensed narrowband radio frequency. In 1995, we studied the licensed frequency narrowband radio frequencies. Now, in 1995, Radio LAN introduced a narrowband wireless LAN using the unlicensed ISM spectrum. Use a narrowband transmission at lower power like 0.5 watt to less, operates at 10 Mbps, 5.8 gigahertz band, 15 meters. With semi-open offices and 100 meters into the open offices. Peer-to-peer configuration. The connectivity for the unlicensed narrowband radio frequency, the peer-to-peer configuration. Elect One node has dynamic master based on the location, interface, and signal strength. Master can change automatically as condition change. Implement dynamic relay functions. Then station can use the repeater to move data between the stations that are out of range each other. Now consider the basic service set BSS. MAC control the physical medium specification for the wireless LAN. Smallest building block for the basic service set. The number of stations, SAM, same MAC protocol, then competing for the access to same shared wireless medium may be isolated or connected backbone distributions through access point that AP. MAC protocol may be distributed to control by central coordination from function in the AP. AP is the access point. BSS is the basic service set is generally corresponding to the given cell. DS can use the switch, wireless networks and wireless network. Now you can study the next part in the next lecture.